with great pride and joy that we gather here today to celebrate the achievements and success of our students. Dungog kag himaya, or honor and glory, is what we are here to recognize, not only in terms of academic excellence, but also in character and values you have shown. Sa bawat hakbang ng inyong tinahak, ipinakita ninyo ang inyong determinasyon at malasakit sa inyong pag-aaral at komunidad.
The City Social Welfare and Development Team nga ari diri sa palibot, nagapasalamat gid kami dako sa tanan nga ginikanan. Ang aton nga City Social Welfare and Development Office will continue serving Himamaylanon to the best of our capacity. Thank you very much for your continued trust to the city. Daghang salamat sa inyo nga pagsalig sa aton nga syudad, sa aton nga pagsalig sa aton nga city officials, sa aton nga city executives, sa tanan nga department heads, and of course, I am very proud to say this, salamat sa inyo pagsalig sa CSWDO team. Mayong hapon kag madamong nga salamat.
Today, we celebrate the fruits of your hard work, perseverance, and the spirit of excellence that each of you has demonstrated. Tulad ng isang puno na matatag na itinanim, ang inyong mga tagumpay ay bunga ng mga pagsusumikap at sakripisyo. Ang bawat isa sa inyo ay may kakayahang magtagumpay at magbigay ng inspirasyon sa iba. We are proud of what you have accomplished and we look forward to seeing the brighter future you will create. So maraming salamat at patuloy na magtagumpay sa lahat ng inyong gagawin. Congratulations everyone. Kag mga palwat tanan.
God bless you. May your smartness, intelligence pave the way for your being a good, contributing, responsible Himamaylanon. Smart, healthy, strong, and happy. And again, dear parents, salamat sa inyo. Padayon lang for our beloved city. Again, God bless everyone. Congratulations. And again, maayong hapon sa tanan.
This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. The lessons we've learned, the bonds we've made, the love and guidance that never fade.
Welcome to this year's Dungog Kag Himaya 2025 with the theme Honoring Excellence, Inspiring Tomorrow's Leaders.
This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align.
Take time out later nga makapasalamat ni kamo sa inyong mga pamilya, sa inyong mga ginikanan. To all the family members present, salamat gid sa inyo pagsuporta sa inyong mga kabataan. To all the children, to all the awardees, to all the students present, let's give a big hand sa aton mga parents and family members present.
This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always
Remember today, kung ano ang inyong pagpaningwa, kung ano yung paglagwas ang inyong mga targets, amo mana siya gyapon ang sigisigi ninyo himuon. Kag ni ano pa magkalatabo, ari ako diri, ari diri ang inyo nga pamilya para magsuporta sa inyo. More power to all of you, more power to all the families, more power to my land. Please continue to pray for city or people, kag may hapon gid sa inyo nga tanan.
The beginning we see, the path ahead calls for you and me. With every dream we will always agree. Our journey unfolds as we set ourselves free.